What is up, guys? Welcome back to a Small Business Sunday. Today we are talking about growth, organic versus paid. All right, guys, all you small entrepreneurs out there, I want to try to help you out and just give my perspective and hopefully help me out too. But if you've come here, you clicked on this video, you want to know about growth, growing your business, growing your socials, growing all of these things to get you more likes, more views, and hopefully more orders or more bookings, whatever your business may be. Now, both of them are necessary. Paid growth plus organic growth. Now, you don't really need the paid growth. That can be more of supplemental or just like to add on. If you're relying on paid growth, that's going to hurt you. In my opinion, you need to be utilizing all of your social medias, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter if you want to, TikTok definitely, YouTube, and YouTube Shorts. So a lot of people will get hung up and not want to post a lot, or they'll just post some pictures. And that was definitely me, for a while. But once you get in this mood of posting, making content, and just getting yourself out there, you're going to see a lot more growth. Maybe not in the orders right away, but you've got to have a set amount of people that you're showing your products to or showing your services to all the time. And the more that grows, the more you have to pull from to hopefully get some services or bookings. And then organic growth, people are invested in you. When they see something, they like it, and they've interacted with you, they are way more likely to purchase or book. There's this effect of community and being involved. If they've messaged you, talked to you, commented, seen you, or anything like that, there's this inherent just being a part of something. If you pay for ads and pay for growth, yeah, you're going to get views and you might get some follows out of it, and it might get some orders out of it. That's a numbers game. It's a lot of that comes back to page optimization. If you throw 1,000 people at your page, as long as they are in your group or in your niche, that's going to be based on how well you did the ad. They're going to get orders, depending on how well your site is and how well your pricing is, how attractive it is. So paid advertising definitely has its place, and I've used it from time to time. But I prefer organic. So comment down below already, which one do you think is best, or which one do you get the best result out of? Now, organic growth, it takes time. But everybody can do it. Every small business can get out there, they can hustle. I mean, we all scroll on TikTok when we're in the bathroom or we're waiting for something. You just scroll and you do whatever. Well, how about taking some time out of your day, make some content? Even if you take a couple hours out of one day a week and you just try to make as much content as you can. And don't worry so much about making content about your products or services. Or if there's something about it, don't sell it. Only make selling videos or content 2 to 3 out of 10 to 12 times. Okay, people need to see you as a sense of community, somebody to follow, somebody to be around. They don't want to just see a business that's just selling them all the time. Because if they grow to like you and then they see a way of to support you or be like you, they're more likely to purchase or book. I know specifically with me, getting orders is great. But one of the best things is getting those comments, those emails, those replies of people being excited about the work I'm doing, some of the content I made. And I genuinely like to make people laugh. And that's what I focus on with my videos and my TikToks. I want to relate to people. I want to make them laugh. I mean, that's how I live my life anyways. I want to have a good time. I want to smile and laugh every day. And you can do that with your content. Make it relatable. I know that you scroll through TikTok and you'll see something like, oh, that's funny, or oh, that reminds me of so and so. Let me send it to them, or oh, I was dealing with that today. Like that type of stuff. Be relatable. Be what you want to see. That's very hard to do with paid growth. Paid growth is there to get out to the masses and pull in automatically, kind of. That's working when you're not. Now, organic growth is you beating the pavement, per se, and just getting out there, getting those views, getting those likes, and getting that just viewership to your website, to your brand, to your socials, whatever it may be. That is the best way to get people in and keep them in. Another way that's kind of a little bit of both are giveaways, because it's not a paid promotion, but you are giving some stuff away, so it's going to cost you a little bit of money. But you can do some giveaways where people have to comment and share and be subscribed to whatever media it is. And whatever little bit that your item is, let's say it costs, it's only going to cost you $15, $20 most of the time, depending on your business, of just something small. That's going to be way better than what $10 or $15 in ads could do. I need to do better with this, doing some giveaways here or there, and I have an idea of some stuff that I'm going to do. I don't want to say it quite yet, but giveaways are very helpful. Get people to your page. People tag their friends, and you get their friends to your page. And just get out there, pound the pavement. I don't want to beat this up or make this video way too long, but comment down below. What are some ideas that you have, or some things that have worked for you? Comment down below. Let us know what is helpful, what is not helpful. Please like this video. Go out there and share your social and get your business up. Level it up. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed. But as always, keep it wretched.